Example 2. A transparent sphere of radius capital R and refractive index n is kept in air. At what distance from the surface of the sphere should a point object be placed on the principal axis so as to form a real image at the same distance from the second surface of the sphere? Let O is point object which is at x distance and I is image which is also at x distance. So we have to find the value of x. At what distance from the surface of the sphere should a point object be placed on the principal axis? Let's find. From the symmetry of figure, the rays must pass through the sphere parallel to the principal axis. From the figure, u equals to minus x, that is object distance, and here we measure the object distance opposite to the incident ray, and v equals to infinity because the refracted ray is parallel to the principal axis after refraction at first surface. As we know, the refractive index of the first medium n1 is equals to 1 and the refractive index of the second medium n2 is equals to n. Using the formula n2 by v minus n1 by u is equals to n2 minus n1 by r. Substitute various values, that is v equals to infinity and u equals to minus x in this equation. We get n by infinity minus 1 by minus x is equals to n minus 1 by r. Something by infinity equals to 0. Then we get 1 by x is equals to n minus 1 by r. Therefore, x is equals to r by n minus 1. Finally, the object distance from the first surface of the sphere is x is equals to r by n minus 1. That means we have to place the object at r by n minus 1 distance from the surface of the sphere in order to get a real image at the same distance from the second surface of the sphere.